Hi mga pangga! How's everyone? Kumusta? Tanan. Today, nakoy lutoon. I wanted to cook something, but I wanted to purchase first. I need garam flour. So let's go to the grocery. Let's go.
I'm gonna show you first on how I store the curry leaves to last it longer. This is my curry leaves from last week. First, wash it with water. Then tap it all to dry. You can use any dry kitchen tissue or napkin. Now store it in a tight container or any plastic or Ziploc. Lock it tightly and put in the refrigerator after. Now let's proceed with our main goal for today. Add 4 tablespoons of bisam flour. Add 1/4 salt to taste. 1/4 turmeric, 1/4 chili powder, and a pinch of cumin powder. And water according to consistency. And mix well. You can add little bit of water, depend on the thickness. Add the curry leaves on it, followed by onion. You can put coriander leaves as well. And mix thoroughly. Now it's time to fry it. In a pan, put vegetable or sunflower oil. And now the oil is hot, put it all over. This is almost done. Let me try it. Oh, so crispy. And that's all for today. Hope you enjoy it.